Hey guys, what's up? My name is Elise and this is the Crunchy Ginger. If you have never been to my YouTube channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. Every week I try to share a tip or a trick or a DIY to help you and to help me live a little greener and save a little money. So if that sounds like something that you're into, I would love it if you would subscribe so that we can stay in touch. Now, every month I get a package from MightyNest. This is my MightyFix. It's a subscription program from MightyNest.com, and basically you get one sustainable surprise product in the mail every month. And I have to be honest with you, this month I've had this package for like a week because I got it right before we were going out of town to go camping last week, and then when we came back everything was like so hectic, and I just haven't had time. So we are opening it now, but the truth is I got an email that had a spoiler in it. So I actually think I know what's in this box. So word to the wise, if you get your MightyFix, open it right away. So that way you don't get a spoiler or just like don't check your email for a week or whatever. So anyway, there are a few other things in this box that I have ordered. I love to take advantage every month of the free shipping that you get with your fix. So there's a couple other things in here as well. Here's the package. Always with the sustainable paper packing, no plastic bubbles or anything like that. So let's start with my favorite. If you have watched any of my other videos, you know I am a major fan of this Meliora dish soap bar. I get it every single month, and basically it's a dish soap in a bar. And I absolutely love it because it eliminates all the giant plastic bottles. It smells amazing, it works amazingly well, and I really recommend this product. It lasts me, sometimes people ask me how long it lasts, and I find that it lasts just about a month. Actually, this month, probably because we were out of town, it's lasted a little bit longer, but usually right about a month for this guy. The next thing in here is my husband's Thinksport deodorant. We like this bergamot cedarwood scent. It's his favorite one, and he's been desperate for me to open this package because he's waiting for me to give him his deodorant, so it's kind of like cruel punishment to make him not have that in August. It's August. Did I say it's August? Oh, it's August 2020. Okay, so the next thing in here. Okay, so this is a new product I've ordered this month. It is the Plant Therapy Germ Destroyer Essential Oil Blend, and this one is the KidSafe blend. I have never used this before, and actually I've never used Plant Therapy essential oils before. I'm not like a crazy diffuser person. Like, I don't have a diffuser like in every room of my home. I do occasionally diffuse things, especially if there's like a weird funky odor, but we are all going to be here doing virtual kindergarten. Like many of you, we will be doing virtual school this year, and I also have a 2-year-old, and my husband's working from home, and I just felt like it might be a good idea to kind of get something going in here that will help germ destroy. So I can kind of smell, I forgot what's in here. It smells, I can smell like tea tree in here. It's got some essential oils in here that are obviously for helping kill some nasty stuff in the air. Spruce, marjoram, lavender, rosalina, and lemon. So I think what I'm smelling first off is that lavender, and the rosalina I think is like a tea tree. They call it tea tree lavender sometimes. So I can definitely smell that. So I thought we might try this in the diffuser, and also I mix up all of our own hand soaps, liquid hand soaps using Castile soap. If you're interested in that recipe, I'll put a link up here. So I thought this might also be a nice thing to put in our hand soap as well, especially moving into the fall flu season on top of everything else. So we're gonna give this guy a try. If you use Plant Therapy essential oils, I would love it if you would leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite are, and if you like them, because I don't usually get these blends, but you know, just feeling a little lazy and a little adventurous, so we'll check this out. Okay, now what we've been waiting for, the MightyFix. This is my product. Open them up. Okay, this is a spaghetti scrub. I've never used this before, but I have seen this product, so I did know this is what was in here, but I have never actually, I have never actually like held this product before. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. It's like, it says it's made with peach pits. Peach pits. Environmentally friendly, made with peach pits. For general cleaning of dishes, cookware, wood, plastic, glass, metal, and cast iron. So this is so weird. I'm so curious to try this. I like don't even know how you hold this. There's like a person in the picture. I guess you just kind of like wad it up like this, and it is kind of a natural scrubber. There's always some information in here about your product. Let's see if there's something in here to tell me more about it. Oh wait, here it is. Here it is. So it always comes with this little card here. It says your MightyFix is here. Say goodbye to dish detergent with spaghetti scrub, an all-natural abrasive made from peach pits that tackles tough jobs without soap or detergents. It's more durable than regular dish sponges and faster drying, so it won't develop mold, smells, or rust. Yeah, I can definitely see that this is not gonna. It's almost like a sandpapery kind of thing, and on the other side is this. It feels like a cotton or something, so it definitely won't hang on to water. Use it to remove stains from metal cookware, kettles, sinks, grills, and even scrubbing the skin off vegetables. No detergent is needed for general cleaning, but a tiny dab of soap can be used if tackling heavy grease. Keep in mind that a little dab can go a long way, as these scrubs will stay very soapy, and the peach pit abrasives are effective on their own. Happy scrubbing. Happy scrubbing. Okay, cool. So on the back it has some information about cast iron, which is actually how I think I will probably most want to use this on our cast iron skillets. Wow, this is truly one of the strangest things I've ever seen. There are two in here. There are two in here. So we will give this a try. I can't wait to see how this works. And as always, I will try to go back and leave a little mini review in the comments below after I've had a chance to work this guy out. This is the kind of product you can expect from your MightyFix. If you are interested in checking it out for yourself, I have a coupon code. So you can try your first fix for just $3. There's no obligation. You can cancel anytime, and also take advantage of the free shipping on anything else you want to try. The code is MightyNow. You'll use my link below. Just click that link and enter the code MightyNow. Your first fix is $3. Check it out. So that is it for my August 2020 MightyFix. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy back to school. Happy scrubbing.